everyone, I am Kelly Shaffner. Welcome to my channel. I am so pleased that you have joined me today. Today I will be unboxing the rest of my Amazon Prime wardrobe. Yeah, it's a gigantic box and I unboxed half of it yesterday and I will leave that video in the cards above. But this is the second half, and the second half contains an item that I am so excited to try, and hopefully it will stay here in my closet. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please be certain to subscribe. Hit that button and tap the bell so you will be notified every single time I publish a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, you rock. I love you. Thank you for all your support. Give this video a thumbs up. Just anticipate that this is going to be excellent. You really help me out when you give me the thumbs up, so I appreciate it. Little information about Amazon Prime Wardrobe. It is a service that is offered by Amazon to all its Prime members. It's a try before you buy service. So you can put things in your cart, they will send it to you postage free, and you can try it at home. You have 7 days to try anything. Postage is free both ways. They actually send the label to send anything back that you don't want. You put it right in this box, drop it off at UPS. Really easy. The difficult part of this service is actually finding items that you want to try to fill your cart. Yeah, that's a little challenging. I have found many items that say Prime Wardrobe eligible that in fact aren't. By the time I select my size and my color preference, it might not be Prime eligible. So that is frustrating. I am hearing your struggles and your challenges with this service in the comments, and I really appreciate that. I also appreciate tips. Ladies, I love it when you recommend your favorite piece of clothing for me to try. So thank you for those tips and just join the conversation. It really does teach me a lot when you share your points of view about the items that I try. So let's quickly get into this box. Let me share with you what I received. The first item I got was this dress. I'm real excited about this dress. This is a little navy blue number by Larkin Rowe. And Larkin Rowe is an Amazon exclusive, I believe, but this is a really simple dress. It seems to be made out of a very nice fabric. It's pretty thick. Little bit of stretch in it, but we have the cap sleeves, and you can see we have seams down the front. I don't know if you can see that, but seaming down the front that seems like it will help to flatter my figure. This is a fit and flare, and that usually works really well for me. There's a zipper in the back, and I wanted this dress. I think everyone needs a solid navy dress. I can style this into a million outfits. I think it is just a staple. Throughout the year, I wear navy in the summertime, but I really like to wear it through the winter months. So I think this is going to be a great option, and I can pair it with so many of my new blazers. So I'm excited about this dress. $39. $39 for this little dress. So the next dress, this is the most expensive dress that I got, and this is by Ella Moon. This is a wrap dress, and we have those really pretty flutter sleeves and a very nice pattern. I think it's a true wrap. This dress is also has lining, so that's nice, and this is a midi length dress, so it looked really pretty on the model, and that intrigued me to try it, so hopefully it will look that good on me. Okay, next up we have more shoes. And the first pair of shoes is from Anne Klein, and I really don't know if I will keep these. I need your help on these. So, they're a black mule. If you have been following me, you know I just picked up an awesome pair of black mules by BP. So, I had these in my cart prior to ordering those. These will have to be magnificent for me to keep them, but this is what they look like, and they do have a little bling on them. They're not, are they rhinestones? They're not crystals, they're not, I don't know how to explain what this little silver detail is, but I think it's very lovely. This is a suede shoe, and it's, I'm going to say about 2.5 inches, 3 inches tall, so that's a really good height for me. And let's see how these stack up compared to the other black mules that I just purchased. I may do a comparison and show you both, but these were a really good price for the black pair. I believe these were under $50. This is the item that I have been waiting for. Yes, Tommy Hilfiger. And when you see these shoes, you're going to know they're Tommy Hilfiger. I'm so excited to get these. And I hope that they work for me. These are a sandal that I really think that I need. They are a short black heel, and oh my goodness. You know what? This is actually black. This is black patent leather, and then we have the green patent leather with that really nice chunky buckle and the strap behind the foot. But to be honest with you, when I purchased these, I thought this strap here was navy. That's what I was looking for, was a navy and green shoe. I really was looking for a green shoe, and I saw these and I thought they might work, but can you see that gold detail all the way around the sole of the shoe? Isn't it pretty? Okay, what I am hoping for is that these look fabulous together. I don't know now. Oh. Okay, let's try it on and you can help me decide. This is the Larkin Row cap sleeve navy dress, and it's a fit and flare, and this is what it looks like. Not bad. I'll tell you all the things I like about the dress. So I love the color. I like this fabric. This is a nice kind of a medium weight fabric, so it could be worn in the summer, but it can definitely be worn in the cooler months, and so I'm not minding these cap sleeves at all. This is going to be great for wearing a blazer or a cardigan over, because they don't stick out a whole bunch, and so I think it's constructed nicely. But look at this neckline. We have a lot of extra fabric through here and in the back. Can you see that? There's a zipper in the back. You know what? I think it's a cheap zipper. You know how when you're zipping a zipper up and it's like, ooh, this might break? That's how this one feels. I had to have my husband zip me up because I did not want to break that zipper. I'm not going to keep this dress because of the zipper. Number one, because of the zipper. It just doesn't feel like nice quality. I also am not real crazy about this, and it's a little tight through the bodice right here. Everywhere else, there's plenty of room and it fits nicely. I'm disappointed. The price point on this dress is only $39, so I really wanted it to work for me, but I have some issues with it, and I just don't think I'm going to keep it. For that reason, it would break, and you would eventually take it to the tailor to have a great zipper put in it, and I might as well just up my price point and buy a navy dress that is well constructed. So yeah, this one's kind of a thumbs down for me. I purchased this in a size medium, and I don't know, like I said, a little tight through here and plenty of room everywhere else. So that's my feelings on this dress. Let me show you the dress with the shoes though. What do you think? I'll give you a close-up of the shoes. This one is the Ella Moon. This is the Sicily ruffle sleeve top. It is a real wrap dress. It's $79.50. And you know what? I'm not feeling it. And I don't know what it is. If it's the print is so busy, I just don't know. Let me stand back. Let me show you the length on this dress. I think that's one of the biggest things that I don't like about it. I am wearing the Anne Klein, the slides, and I don't know how I feel about them either. The dress, it has very nice movement to it. I feel like this is up so high, and I have a difficult time adjusting these wraps so that I'm not just falling out of them. And you know, I appreciate that the dress is lined. This feels like a nicely constructed garment. I just don't like it. And I can't figure out what it is. I can't put my finger on the thing that kind of makes me crazy about the dress, but I do think the length of it makes me feel a bit matronly. Did you guys see these shoes? Let me see, can I show you? I'll show you a close-up of the shoes, but the shoes also are proving not to be very comfortable. I'm going to show you a close-up of the shoes, and then I am going to show you the mules that I just purchased that I could still read. Thank you for sticking around all the way to the end to hear my final thoughts on this Amazon Prime wardrobe haul. I'll tell you what, I am disappointed in this dress. I really, really wanted it to work. And I don't know if it was a fluke that the zipper that was put into this dress was just inferior to the ones they normally use, but the zipper scares me. And with a zipper like this, I would have to have someone help me dress. I like to have a zipper that I can use myself. I don't want to have to always call my husband to help me get in and out of clothing. So unfortunately, this one is going back. I will try Larkin Row brand again and see if it's better. So this one, the Ella Moon dress, didn't work for me. And perhaps I have my mind set on some solid color clothing. I'm just kind of getting over all the prints, but something about this dress, it didn't work for me in so many areas. But this is a very nicely constructed, the fabric feels high quality, and I'm kind of disappointed that this dress didn't work. I like midi length dresses, but I have to be very careful because you know what? I don't want to look like grandma. I'm not a grandma. I want to be very, very bad. I want to be a grandma, and I promise I will wear grandma clothes if my son ever makes me a grandma, okay? Anyway, on to the next thing. Let's talk about these Anne Klein shoes. If you were to look at these on the website, you will find them at a much higher price point. I know that the black ones were at the lower price point, and I was looking for some black mules, but I don't think these are it. In just the very short period of time I was wearing them, this strap right here, it's very, very stiff, and it was cutting into my toes. Had I worn them any longer, I would have needed Band-Aids. So these are a no, unfortunately. And this is the item that I was waiting for in my box. I was so excited to have these. These are just classic Tommy Hilfiger shoes. If you saw these on anyone, you would know the designer of these shoes. But I don't know, I just wasn't really wowed by them. They are comfortable, and I think they're kind of cute. They are, what, $57, I think? So that's not a bad price point. Honestly, I just don't know how much I will wear them. I think I had visions of them in my head with this navy dress, and they're not in fact navy, so it doesn't pair the way I had it in my head. I don't know, is this a shoe that you would wear? Guys, I'm gonna give this some thought. I have 6 more days to get this package back and to decide what I want to keep, and I have more boxes arriving today, so I will have a lot of decision making to do. Thank you so much for all your help in that department as well. It really makes my decisions a little bit easier when I am able to consider your feedback. So please join the conversation below. And if you haven't done so already, can you guys give me a thumbs up? It really helps me out. I appreciate it so much. I have some more videos coming out for you very, very, very soon. So be on the lookout for that. And until I see you again, blessings to you.